What's up, everybody? Joe with Joe's Golden Garage coming to you today from another auction find. Ooh. I hate when these Lexus RXs have these cracked dashes, man. Especially when it's got the hunks missing out of them. But don't fret. There is a dash cap that is made you can buy for these that just goes over the whole thing. Actually looks pretty damn good too. This is an 09 with 225,000 miles. Not like that's a big deal, but I've been wanting to score one of these, something like this, for maybe my aunt with the beater Lexus. She would still like to roll in beater status, I think, but just in an SUV. She really needs an SUV because of the 2 grandkids and all the stuff that goes along with them. And she's actually willing to spend some money to get a nicer, low mile, like RX or GX or something. But heck, if I can find something in that 4,000 to 5,000 price range that will last, just like her ES did, except maybe just not quite as badly beat up, I'm going for it, man. I'm going to see if I can find one out there. And this could qualify because we got freezing cold air. We got decent leather. Not super clean, but it can clean up, and with a dash cap it would look like new up there. We have no warning lights except for your stupid tire light and the maintenance light. Just oil changes do. Get the oil change. It's a 2009, so it's the timing chain engine. Oh yeah, and it has got boogies. Boogie. It has got great power. This thing's not bad, y'all. Golly. And this is a trade-in back to Hennessy Lexus, back to the Lexus store. Probably for something certified pre-owned, if not something new. They drove this one. I would say they drove this one a good bit. It's black. We have matching Hankook tires all the way around. I kind of like the black color combo. What do you guys think? She needs to be washed. She needs to be cleaned. Got the 09 wheels, or 08, 09. That's when they started kind of using those. Yeah, headliner good. Rear seat, not bad. Just could use a little cleaning. And this would be a terrific 15-year-old SUV. I bet no, it still works. Those tend to go bad after, they get weak and just kind of fall. There we go. It worked. Not bad, not bad. But see, dingy floor mats, but everything's solid. Nothing's broken. Just this boogered up cracked dash. Man, and it is smooth. I mean, it is very smooth. I am sensing just a little bit of power steering. Grinding, groaning. Might have a power steering fluid leak. It's a little low. I don't know much about these as far as the racks go. Are they good and reliable? Do they last forever? Or do they tend to go bad? Like, all steering racks could possibly go bad. I just don't know. But it is a great 225,000 mile RX 350. That's got years of life left in it. Probably, if I had to guess, this is going to sell somewhere around $3,000 to $4,000. Of course, I will post what it sells for at the end of the video, or after the auction tomorrow. New battery. Everything looks good. Power steering. Yes, this could use a good detail under here, but still not bad, not bad. Good looking unit. Y'all like, comment, subscribe. Tell me what you think. And we'll see you guys with the next one. Peace.